Yeah, man, you don't know. Prepping as usual. We have time with the oxy scallion, oregano, same Chinese time, sweet pepper, onion, garlic, cucumber. The pepper is miserable like Jado, yeah, me pa. And tomatoes. Over here we have black eye pea. And today we go do a quinoa peas. Like how you have rice and peas, we now do no dead starch peas. But quinoa peas, black eye pea. Look, up to the water fight black. I want here man over here, so we have the native coconut. Yes, with the glosh. Then call this the oil of the coconut. It store the energy to make the coconut turn in our new plant. We'll drop in it today. And of course we have the great old I thought we had started thing, daddy come over and pack yourself. And yeah. Well, let's see. Yes. Food disha, food anai, food arai, food ane. All of the food is them. See it here. Quinoa. Black eye peas. Yeah man, quinoa with black eye peas. I make not hurt you too much. Make you come back. You know? Come on everybody, come on everybody. With rundown. Yeah, with natural seasoning. You understand? And a little piece of saltfish. Cause you don't know. And we name what we name. And what? We name Kawa. Change. Welcome to Knowledge True Virgin KTV Herbal Remedies, where the food is the medicine is the what? Y'all pitney, grab your fork and come. You know, see what heap of food in the calabash one done. Grab your fork and come. Boy, yo, come over here, so girl. Grab your fork and come. Ah, you know, see, Wally? Hold on. Hold on, let me catch your reaction. Come now, girl. Same old shit. Just a different. I just call me food shit change that. Same natural remedies. It's just a different day. Woo! Cook, cook, cook real hard. Cook. Massa, make us see our face. Look how food good looking like a her.
Rice and peas and go.
Okay, where rice and peas are. Move from there, move from there. Go from there. Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. For more videos like this, check out our YouTube channel, Overcome Her, or my YouTube channel, Fun Food Factory, Factory Food. Why? Yeah, man, for more inspiration, health tips, and motivation like that, remember the new book, Earth, on Amazon, and locally here in Jamaica, you can send me a text. Yeah, man, and the new clothesline that is out today. Yeah, man, the best person to model the clothesline. Yeah, man, will be getting a gift basket. Knowledge of the true virgin. Yeah, man, out, man. Peace.